Hey everyone, we got the diamond Huggie hoop earrings from James Allen. They cost right around $540, and I wanted to make a video today to show you guys what these actually look like in real life. Now, they're a pretty small, petite hoop earring. If you take a look at the pictures on their website, and I'll have this link down in the video description if you want to look at these pictures, you can see that the earrings themselves are quite small. They're very petite, but that being said, they do have a good amount of sparkle. So if you take a look at this clip here, when I have them outdoors, you can actually see that there is a good amount of sparkle in these earrings. So it's going to be a subtle look, but still very classy, and you're going to get a lot of sparkle from those diamonds. In terms of packaging, you're still going to get the great packaging that James Allen always offers with their engagement rings and everything else that you order on their site, that nice James Allen box, and you get that signature little red jewelry box there that they are shipped in. So very nice for them to give a really good presentation. And the last thing that I wanted to show you is the backing to these earrings. So it's actually built into the earring itself. So there's a hinge in the middle of the earring, and that's going to open it up, allow you to stick the post through your ear, and then that little backing piece, if you push on it with your finger, is spring-loaded, and it's going to close and hold it securely in your ear, so you don't have to actually worry about losing that little backing piece. So guys, let me know what you think about these. If you're looking for something that has a little bit more carat weight and a little bit larger, I have some other videos on my channel that I've done of unboxings of the graduating diamond hoop earrings. Those have a lot higher of a carat weight. They're larger in size, and you can really see those diamonds come to life. So if there's something different that you're looking for, be sure to check out those other videos on my channel. It may be very helpful. Thank you for watching, and like I said, I'll have a link to these down in the video description if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.